Optimize your assessments by managing test retakes efficiently, ensuring a streamlined and resource-effective process. Right now, without retry limits, candidates can retake tests multiple times, leading to wasted resources and inefficiencies in managing assessments. With Retry Limit, you can set the number of test retakes for candidates, eliminating the need to create new tests every time. This keeps your process organized, saves resources, and ensures better control over assessments. To access this feature, navigate to the settings from your test dashboard, then proceed to Accessibility Controls, where you will find the Candidate Retry option at the bottom. This option is turned off by default, so switch on the toggle and set your desired number of retries. We recommend setting it to 3, but feel free to set it to any number you prefer. Remember to save your changes before you send out your invites. By setting retry limits, you save time and resources while ensuring a smooth and structured assessment process. Ready to take control of your assessments? Choose VCP and enable Retry Limit today to make every test count.